Efforts towards biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity is declining around the world, and the situation of endangered species is becoming increasingly serious. If this continues, the Earth's environment will be destroyed, and it is expected to have a serious impact on humanity itself. Nature Positive is an effort to stop and restore the loss of biodiversity. It aims not only to reduce negative impacts to zero but also to create positive impacts and further restore nature. Currently, global biodiversity continues to decline, and biodiversity is decreasing at all three levels of genes, species, and ecosystems. The situation of endangered species is getting closer to extinction, and among them, amphibians are the most critical. Coral reefs are also deteriorating rapidly, and 1/4 of all plant species are at risk of extinction. Invertebrates as a whole, about 1/3 of the number has decreased in just a few decades, since 1970. In addition, wetlands, sea ice areas, algae beds, and coral reefs have also declined dramatically. Human impact is happening on a global scale, including deforestation, wildfires, reduced rainfall and agricultural production due to climate change, carbon dioxide emissions, and loss of biodiversity. It also causes significant economic losses, such as a decrease in fishery resources due to eutrophication of water bodies, the impact on food security, and loss of tourism revenue. Furthermore, the degradation of coral reef ecosystems due to ocean acidification and the rise in seawater temperatures may pose a threat to people's livelihoods and food security by causing catastrophic losses in biodiversity and ecosystem functions. As a response to this loss of biodiversity, efforts are being made to promote natural coexistence sites, ECOMS, and an international goal called 30 by 30 has been agreed upon by G7 countries including Japan. 30 by 30 aims to conserve more than 30% of the world's land and sea as natural environment areas by 2030. In addition, large corporations are rapidly taking action and disclosing information towards becoming nature positive. The loss of biodiversity is a serious issue for humanity, and let us think about what each of us can do and work together to address it. Thank you for watching.